let's go back to the classical European block and let's see the places, important places you have to check when you are in Stockholm. Alright guys, we are in the city hall, not really in but backyard, let's say, and even here lots of stuff to do because there's a nice view there at the waterfront, and then you can go in to explore. The tickets are 10 euros and the last activity is probably going there to see the city view. Let's check the public transport price. Okay guys, we are in a specific metro station. Usually metro stations can perform as museum in some eastern countries, but in Sweden it is another level. We see the real cliff here, and even the water here, if you touch, you see it's the real water coming through the rock. Alright, we just spontaneously saw people gathered here and what is happening. So if you see that small ferry, the King of Sweden right now coming to the land, and he's gonna pass through, and there are a bunch of soldiers there, and that's the reason. so expensive, guys, for every single thing here for, I would say, rich people. Alright, my friend went back to work, and now again I am solo, and now we are going to one of the attractions in Stockholm. It's called Vasa Museum. The Vasa ship is one of Sweden's greatest treasures and also one of its biggest failures. It was built in 1628 and it was designed to be the strongest warship in Europe. However, there was a problem. The ship was too tall and too heavy at the top, making it dangerously unstable. Even during testing, sailors noticed something was wrong. On its very first voyage in Stockholm, a strong gust of wind caused the ship to tilt. Water quickly rushed through its open cannon ports, and in less than 20 minutes, the mighty Vasa sank before it had even left the harbor. The ship remained underwater for 333 years, until it was recovered in 1961. What was once Sweden's greatest naval disaster has become one of Stockholm's most fascinating museums. Alright guys, time to sign out. I'm extremely tired and I haven't even decided what's the next destination. Until here everything was planned perfectly, but next destination I'm not sure. I need to have rest because every 2 days I have been changing country over and over, and now probably I will spend whole day tomorrow to have a rest before moving to the next destination, and by this way I can decide, I can get a healthy decision, because right now I'm tired. So yeah, that's it from Stockholm. Either we are gonna change the country or just change the city and go to the other city of Sweden. We're gonna see. So wait for the next video, guys. Take care and see you.